Are you thinking about trying the Sopami car coating spray? Let's talk honestly about what real users are saying and whether it actually works or not. The product claims sound impressive. Sopami says it uses advanced nanotechnology to protect your car, restore shine, and even remove scratches. It's marketed as a 3-in-1 ceramic coating that repels water, resists dirt, and lasts for months. Sounds like a dream come true for car lovers, right? But here's where things start to split. Some users did report a positive experience. They said it made their cars super shiny, helped repel dust and dirt, and gave the surface that nice water-beading effect. A few were especially happy with how it worked on their windows, saying it even removed stubborn water spots and left glass looking crystal clear. They also appreciated how easy it was to apply and how little effort it took compared to traditional waxing. One user even said they were buying it again after testing it post a full polish and prep, and it gave a strong protective shine. But not everyone had the same experience. In fact, quite a few people were really disappointed. One user went through the full prep process, washing, polishing, and carefully applying Sopami, and found that it worked only slightly better than a basic wax. The paint panels didn't really repel water as expected, and removing the dried product left streaks that were hard to buff out. Another said the coating washed away after just 2 car washes. Several others called it a gimmick, with no real effect, and mentioned issues like unclear instructions, faulty spray bottles, and overall lack of performance, especially on paint. A few were frustrated enough to say they wanted their money back, calling the product snake oil and saying it didn't match up to the dramatic effects shown in ads. In some cases, the car looked worse after applying it, with dust and dirt clinging back in just a few hours. So, does the Sopami car coating spray work? It really depends on your expectations. If you're hoping for a light top coat that gives a temporary shine and helps a little with dust or water on windows, you might be satisfied. But if you're expecting true ceramic level protection or deep scratch repair, this product probably won't live up to the hype. Before spending your money, you might want to compare it with other more trusted ceramic coating brands, or at least be ready for mixed results.